Hello there. It's late tonight. This is what happens when I don't have volleyball is I end up just working all night, which is not a bad thing, but it's one of those like this Facebook Live always gets pushed later in the day because like if I have volleyball, I'm like, okay, I gotta get this live video done before I leave because I'm definitely not gonna want to do it when I get back. And so that causes me to be really efficient in my day. Well, not always efficient, but I get it done. I get this live video done before 5 o'clock usually because I have to leave very shortly after that and I have to eat, and it's just a very rigid schedule when I have volleyball. But now that it's over and I just have nothing on in the evenings, I can work all night, which I'm happy about, but also it causes these videos to be a lot later and more like, oh my goodness, I better get this done because the day is going to end right away here. Anyway, so today I was working on a set of taxes, corporate taxes and financial statements, which is what was taking me to 9:30, working at 9:30. And I was having a bit of an issue because the prior year tax return numbers, like the amounts that were recorded in the tax return, didn't match what was in the QuickBooks file. It was close. In a lot of cases, it was close, but there were some big differences in some pretty important numbers like retained earnings and a few other places. Depreciation, like the accumulated amortization of the assets didn't match, which causes all kinds of weird problems in the schedules in the tax. Anyway, I'm not going to go into the details, but what I want to tell you is that when you get your taxes back from your accountant, your business taxes, it's really, really important to make sure that your taxes match your QuickBooks file or whatever your accounting app is. Make sure that they match because it can cause problems like if you switch accountants or if you switch accountants actually, because your accountant is going to look at the prior year in your QuickBooks file and they're going to roll it forward into the next year. And so when we're looking and we're trying to do the current year's taxes, we have to sort of piece together what the difference is in the prior year, and we have to make those adjustments. And so what you can do as a small business owner is you can just check, you can have a look and say, okay, do Schedule 100, which is your balance sheet, and Schedule 125, which is in your income statement for corporate taxes. Those two schedules, if you just pull them out and run those two reports in QuickBooks, just under the reports section or whatever accounting app you have, and just check that they match. And if they don't match, you can ask your accountant to either post the entries, the adjusting entries that they've done, or give you the adjusting entries to post yourself, or you can at least ask them and just say, hey, this doesn't match. Is there a reason for that? Because that will keep your books more accurate, for one, and it allows you to pull better information when you run your reports in your accounting app, but it also allows for a much smoother corporate tax preparation the next year. So one last step for you as a small business owner is when you get those taxes back. If you have received taxes, but you're not sure if they match to your QuickBooks file, then let's chat. I'd be happy to have a quick look with you or chat through how you can have a look yourself for your specific company, and we'll just make sure. And if they're different, then we can chat through how to fix that as well. I've left a link in the description to book a call with me for whenever's convenient for you. So I hope you're doing well. I hope to chat to you soon. Chat to you soon, with you soon. To you soon? No, it's with you soon. Anyways, I'll see you tomorrow.